Hello everyone, I'm Wolfgang Grey. Welcome to Grey's Horizons. My channel is relatively new, so if you like what you see, hit like, subscribe, and by all means, please leave a comment. College was sold as an on-ramp to the middle class. Now, the on-ramp looks like a conveyor belt into collections. They told us the degree would protect you. Study hard, borrow if you have to. Then reality walks in dressed like payroll. Collections are back on. Delinquencies are rising. And for people who fall behind, the government can take a slice of your paycheck, up to 15%, without stepping into a courtroom. Let that sink in. You can see the human cost in the stories we keep hearing. A young nurse, a Maya, doing everything right, and still staring down six figures. A culinary grad, living like a survivalist just to keep the interest from snowballing. A couple that turned debt confession into an income stream, because that's what it takes now. A relationship ending when a $200,000 balance finally came out. A billionaire handing out $1,000 at commencement. Generous, sure, but it doesn't touch principle. This is not random misfortune. This is design. So how does this hit you if you're sitting at home thinking, I don't know anything? First, it's coming for your household anyway. Your kids, your partner, your employees. The rules have shifted. As federal options narrow, the system quietly nudges more people toward private loans. Variable rates, fewer protections, and zero forgiveness for public service. That risk doesn't live on a spreadsheet. It lives in your kitchen, your budget, your hiring. If you're not in debt, here's how you stay that way. Don't co-sign loans you wouldn't be ready to pay yourself. Private papers look friendly until you read the hardship rules. Make every education decision with career math, not vibes. What is the likely starting salary in this field? And what's the monthly payment at current rates? If the payment eats the paycheck, the degree is a luxury. Walk away. Start cheap, finish strong. Community college, in-state options, transfer later. Use employer tuition benefits before loans. And before anyone signs anything, run the college scorecard and check program level outcomes. Degrees are not lottery tickets, they are contracts. If you are in debt and feeling the heat, take 20 minutes tonight. Log into your federal account. Confirm your loan types, your servicer, your status. Set up autopay so you don't donate extra money to late fees. Pick a plan you can actually make month after month. Consistency beats hero payments, followed by panic. Don't reflex to forbearance unless it's a true emergency. That's interest on interest. If you're juggling balances, choose your attack. Avalanche means you kill the highest rate first. Snowball means you crush the smallest balance to build momentum. Both work. Pick one. Commit and keep moving. If you're already behind 30, 60, 89 days, call before it turns into 90. Switching plans can happen fast if you push. Take notes on every call. Names, dates, promises. Make the bureaucracy visible to itself. If you're in default, you still have options, but the clock matters. You can rehabilitate. 9 on-time, affordable payments, and the default mark gets removed from your credit history. Slower, but cleaner. Or you can consolidate into a new direct loan and jump straight onto an income-driven plan. Faster, but the old scar can linger on your report. Either path beats waiting for a garnishment letter. If a garnishment notice does arrive, don't freeze. You have a window to request a hearing and claim hardship. Bring receipts, rent, childcare, medical bills, pay stubs. If you've already started rehabilitation or consolidation, send proof and ask for the hit to pause. The point is simple. You are not powerless, but you do have to move. Can't get traction with the servicer? Escalate to your state's student loan ombudsman or a local legal aid group. These people exist because the system is designed to wear you down. Use them. And to the parents and future students, avoid the trap early. Treat private loans like a last resort, not a baseline. Shop programs the way you'd shop a mortgage. Read every clause that starts with, in the event of hardship. Push colleges for transparent placement and earnings data. By major, not just campus averages. Ask employers what they'll fund before you borrow what they won't. I don't say any of this to shame borrowers. Shame belongs upstream with the architecture that turns education into an accounts receivable business and pretends it's mentorship. The Federal Reserve will dutifully track your delinquency in a database. The servicer will draft your paycheck like it's a tax. And the headlines will celebrate a one-time gift at a graduation while the compounding keeps compounding in the dark. Here's the clean version. If you're not in debt, protect yourself. No blind cosigns. Career math, start cheap, finish strong. If you are in debt, take the 20-minute triage tonight. Log in, verify autopay, choose a plan, document every call. If you're in default, pick a door, rehab or consolidate, and walk through it now before someone else decides what your paycheck looks like next month. We were told the system was broken. It isn't. It's working exactly as intended. The only way out is action that starts before the next bill hits and continues after the cameras stop rolling. That's the truth. Now do the next right step. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.